Computer on Office Automation. Open Office Writer Test. Roman letter 1. Fill in the blanks. To close the current opened document, dash is used. The footnote endnote is inserted from dash menu. 3. Open Office document is exported as dash. 4. To insert a line in the document, dash is used. 5. Dash is a shortcut key for a line break. 6. To bring selected object behind a text is called dash. 7. To view the required text in an artistic pattern, dash is used. 8. To refer to items such as heading, figure, tables, dash is created. 9. To preview the document before sending for printing, dash is used. 10. The selection is done dash individually as a block area. Roman letter 2. Match the following. Field name Ctrl plus F2. Writer Ctrl plus F. Sort Ctrl plus Q. Insert a table Alt plus Ctrl plus C. Find F5. 6. Exit Ctrl plus Shift plus I. 7. New comment F4. 9. 8. Navigator ascending or descending. 9. Select text word. 10. Data source Ctrl plus F9. Roman letter 3. Choose the best answer. 1. To break the line of typing to the next line, next page, dash is used. Enter. B. Ctrl plus M. C. Page break. D. Alt plus Enter. 2. Name of the shortcut key to close the current open document. Dash. A. Ctrl plus A. B. Alt plus A. C. Alt plus Tab. D. Ctrl plus W. 3. To create a reference sensitive graphic or text frame, dash. A. Reference. B. Image maps. C. Hyperlink. D. Insert. 4. To give a statistical report of number of words, paragraph, etc., dash is used. A. Word count. B. Status. C. Format. D. Sort. 5. To divide a single table into two, dash is used. A. Split table. B. Merge tab. C. Combine. D. Split cell. 6. To export the open office document as PDF, dash is used. A. Export. B. Import. C. HTML. D. OLE. 7. Mail merge is available in dash menu. A. Insert. B. Tools. C. Format. D. Sort. 8. To view the properties, styles, formatting as a bar, dash is used. A. Navigator. B. Status bar. C. Slide bar. D. Scroll bar. 9. To make a table fit into the margin. A. Auto text. B. Auto format. C. Auto fill. D. Merge. To retain the default format of an imported file. A. Ctrl M. B. Ctrl L. C. Ctrl plus K. D. Ctrl plus S. Roman letter 4. True or false. To create a large capital letter, drop cap is used. 2. Open Office document is exported as document file only. 3. Bookmark is used to assign the name to specific point. 4. Page map is available in table menu. 5. Status bar help to move the screen. 6. Word 2007 document file is imported into OpenOffice document. 7. OpenOffice.org is world-class suite. 8. Horizontal ruler is used to draw a line vertically. 9. EndNote is seen at the bottom of the page. 10. To protect a document, password is used. Roman letter 5. Answer the following. 1. What are the packages available in OpenOffice? 2. What are the elements of Word screen in OpenOffice Writer? 3. How will you export a file into PDF in OpenOffice Writer? 4. Why and how will you set the page style in Writer? 5. What is the use of drawing tool in Writer? 6. What is cross-reference in Writer? 7. How will you format the document using font option? 8. What is digital signature? 9. How do you print a document in Writer? 10. How will you set the columns? 11. What do you mean by word wrap? 12. What is template? 13. What is insert or type over mode in Writer? 14. What is mean by security? 15. Brief out find and replace menu in OpenOffice Writer. Roman letter 6. Write the following in brief. What are the special features of OpenOffice? 2. Write the function of any 10 options available in table menu in OpenOffice Writer. 3. How will you open and save a file in OpenOffice Writer? 4. How will you apply the paragraph style? 5. What are the facilities in page background? 6. Write notes on table. Write the answer to the test and send to my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is you can search in Google, you can search in YouTube by using the word Wajid Shah for other question papers and other videos of computer on office automation. Thank you very much.